How to download videos or music without a website. This is really simple to do with the program Slamjet. You can download it on the website. I have set a link in the description. With this program can you very fast and simple download YouTube videos or music. You can convert it to the MP4 or MP3 with good quality. This program works a lot better than a converter in my opinion. So let's begin to download the Slamjet program. You can download the program to press on download now. Open the program to install the program. Select the language that you want. You need to agree with the license agreement. Choose the folder it's going to install into. And now you are done with the installation. Say yes if you want ad blocker. You can now go to YouTube. And then you need to agree the cookies. By the way, you don't need to log in for using the video downloader. Now I click on a random video to let you show how this works. So if you see, you can download the video right now. Click on download video. Now you can choose the format. I will now choose for the MP4 as example. You can see here that the video is downloading. So if you see, we have now an MP4 file and an MP3 file. There you go. Now you can download all the videos what you like. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you want more tutorials.